Dear students, welcome back. I'm here with one more problem. So, problem number illustration number 13. So, this is bit a different problem, but we have solved. I remember we have solved one problem as kind of this. Okay. So, let us look into the problem. Jayant wrote a book on business management. So, Jayant is the author. He has written a book on business management and got it published with Akshara Publishers on the following terms. So Akshara Publishers has they have published that particular book. So they in with the terms. So what are all the terms? Let us look into the terms. Point number 1: royalty payable at 20% on sales proceeds of the published price of copy sold. So this is a different problem definitely, because this is the I think first adjustment of this kind. So whatever we have solved 12 problems till now. Okay, so underline that and keep it in your mind, so that it will have a bit different kind of calculation. Okay, royalty payable at 20% on sales proceeds of a published price of copies sold. So that is 20% has to be paid as a royalty on the copies sold. Okay. So then we are supposed to identify sales also indirectly is telling. So point number 2: minimum rent payable rupees 75,000 per annum. So minimum rent is 75,000 per annum. Third, short working can be removed in subsequent to 2 years of occurring of short working. Again, recovery of short working is 2 years time he has given from the immediate next year onward. Okay. Point number 4: Jayant gave an undertaking that he would revise the book when required by publisher and pay them rupees 6,000 per month of delay after 6 months of the request made. The publisher, in the event of delay, the condition of minimum rent will not apply. So, try to understand one more extraordinary adjustment. It is not extraordinary usually, but for you people, because I have solved 12 problems till now, we didn't had such kind of adjustment. That is why I use that extraordinary adjustment. Okay, so that Jayant has to revise that book, because Akshara Publisher has requested them to revise the book. So revising time has been fixed for 6 months. So within 6 months they are supposed to pay, they have to give it back. The revised version of the book should be submitted to the Akshara Publisher. That means, so in the month of June, okay, 6 months is a June, at least 1st July. From January to June, 6 months it's get over, and 1st July we are supposed to give it back. Clear? So but here that clearly says Jayant gave an undertaking that he would revise book when required by the publisher and pay them rupees 6,000 per month of delay. So 6 months he has accepted that he is going to pay, Jayant is going to pay to the publisher 6,000 rupees as a penalty, delay amount. Clear? Whatever you can call it. Okay, 6,000 per month of delay after 6 months of the request made by the publisher. In the event of delay, the condition of minimum rent will not apply. So let us look into the information. Here, number of copies sold and number of copies, that is price per copy. So 2015, 3,000 copies were sold and price 120 rupees. 2016, 5,000 copies sold and 150 rupees was the price. And 2017, 6,000 copies were sold and price per copy 170 rupees. In the year 2018, 4,000 copies were sold and the price per copy was 180 rupees. And in the year 2019, 8,000 copies were sold at the rate of 200 rupees. So this is the information about the copies sold and price of that particular information. So at the end of 2017, Jayant was requested to revise the book. In the year 2017, Jayant has to revise the book, and the revised manuscript should reach the publisher 1st September 2017. So actually it should reach the publisher on 1st July, but it is reaching on 1st September 2017. So how many months delay? June is 6 months, so July, August. So 1st September is reaching means 1st September we don't consider. 2 months delay. 2 months delay means delay fine, delay penalty of rupees 6,000 per month. Penalty will be 12,000 rupees. So you should remember this. So underline this point also. Okay. So he has revised the book and the revised manuscript reach the publisher on 1st September 2017. Prepare necessary ledger account in the books of publisher. So here we have to prepare a ledger account. Before that we are supposed to calculate sales, that is revenue generated or amount generated out of sales or sales value, whatever you call. Okay, so in the year 2015 3,000 books were sold at the rate of 120 rupees. So 3,000 into 120, 3,60,000 rupees was the sale. In the year 2016 5,000 books sold at 150 rupees, 7,50,000 rupees is the sales value. 2017, 6,000 books were sold at the rate of 170 rupees. So 10,20,000 rupees as worth of books has been sold. 2018, 4,000 books were sold at the rate of 180 rupees. So 7,20,000 rupees worth of books has been sold. In the year 2019, 8,000 books were sold at the rate of 200 rupees. So ultimate value of books sold in the year 2019 is 16 lakh rupees. So this is the sale amount which we have identified. So after that you are supposed to open an analytical table. So let us open analytical table with the 10 column again. Year, sales, royalty payable at 20% on sales, minimum rent, short working, surplus, short working recovered, short working not recovered, and amount payable. So in the year 2015, first year 2015, so what is the sales revenue? 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 into 20 divided by 100, because royalty is 20% on sales. So 3,60,000 into 20 divided by 100, that comes to 72,000 rupees. So actually minimum rent for the first the year is 75,000, but we could able to generate only 72,000. There was a short working of how much? 3,000 rupees short working. So short working column 3,000, surplus nil, short working recovered nil, short working not recovered nil, amount payable is 75,000 rupees. So in the year 2016, 7,50,000 rupees worth of book has been sold as per the calculation, which is exactly above the table. So 7,50,000 royalty payable is 20% on sale. So 7,50,000 into 20 divided by 100, that comes to 1,50,000 rupees. Minimum rent was 75,000. So we could able to produce more than the minimum rent. So royalty payable is greater than the minimum rent. So minimum rent 75,000, royalty payable is 1,50,000. So short working nil, surplus 75,000, short working recovered 3,000 rupees. We could able to recover the shortage of first year, 3,000 rupees. Short working not recovered nil. So out of 1,50,000 amount generated, how much we are adjusted? That short working recovery 3,000. So whatever the left out, 1,47,000, put it to amount payable column. 1,47,000 amount payable. In the year 2017, 10,20,000 rupees is the sales. So 20% of the same is 2,04,000 rupees, but the minimum rent is 75,000. So we are greater than the minimum rent. So how much? 1,29,000 rupees is the surplus. So that is 2,04,000 minus 75,000. So the balance difference is 1,29,000 is the surplus production. So short working column nil, surplus column 1,29,000 for the year 2017, and short working not recovered nil, not recovered nil. Amount payable directly 2,04,000 rupees. So next in the year 2008, 7,20,000 worth of goods, that is we have generated money out of sales 7,20,000. 20% of the same, that is 1,44,000. 7,20,000 into 20 by 100 is 1,44,000. So short minimum rent is 75,000. Short working nil, surplus will be 69,000. How come? That is 1,44,000 minus 75,000. 69,000 is the difference, that is surplus. So short working recovered nil, not recovered nil. Amount payable is 1,44,000. So in the year 2019, 16 lakh rupees we have done the sales. So for that minimum rent again 75,000. So 16 lakh rupees into 20 divided by 100. So royalty payable is 3,20,000 rupees, but the minimum rent remain constant 75,000. So short working nil, surplus is 2,45,000 rupees. So surplus is 2,45,000. Short working recovered nil, short working not recovered nil, and amount payable 3,20,000 itself. 3,20,000 itself. So now we are done with the royalty, that is analytical table, which is required very importantly before solving the problem. Clear? Before solving the problem. So now we are going to prepare a minimum rent account. So whatever minimum rent column amount is there, that we are going to directly enter in this. So minimum rent or royalty payable, so that we are going to enter. So debit side 2015 Giant account. So to Giant account, Giant account is 75,000 2015. By royalty account, that is short 72,000 rupees which we could generate out of royalty, and there was a short working 3,000 rupees. Both the side total 75,000 and 75,000. So in the year 2016, to Giant account 1,47,000 rupees. 2016 by royalty account 1,47,000 rupees. The amount which has been entered in the amount payable column. Both the side total 1,47,000, 1,47,000. 2017 to Giant account 2,04,000. 2017 by royalty account 2,04,000. Both the side total 2,04,000 and 2,04,000. So next is in the year 2018, Giant account 1,44,000. 2018 by royalty account 1,44,000. Both the side total 1,44,000 and 1,44,000. In the year 2019, to Giant account 3,20,000. By royalty account 3,20,000. So we are done with the minimum rent account. So further we are moving towards royalty account. As you all know that we are going to consider the column of royalty. So whatever we generate. Clear? So 2015 to minimum rent account 72,000. By P&L account 72,000. Both the side total 72,000. 72,000 only. 2016 to Giant account 1,47,000 rupees, because our production was more than the minimum rent which was fixed by the company. So 1,47,000 was fixed by the publisher. So to Giant account 1,47,000. 2016 by P&L account 1,47,000. Both the side total 1,47,000. 1,47,000. So in the year 2017 to Giant account 2,04,000. 2017 by P&L account 2,04,000. In the fourth year 2018 to Giant account 1,44,000. By P&L account 1,44,000. That is in the year 2018. So in the year 2019 to Giant account 3,20,000. By P&L account 3,20,000. Both the side total 3,20,000 and 3,20,000. So now open short working account. So short working account with 6 column table, that is date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So short working 2015, 2 minimum rent account. How much short working was there? 3,000 rupees. So in the year end 2015, by balance carried down 3,000 rupees. Both the side total 3,000 and 3,000. So 2016 to balance brought down 3,000 rupees. 2016 by royalty account, in the second year only we could able to recover the short working, that is 3,000. Both the side total 3,000 and 3,000. Last but not the least, now we are opening a giant account. So giant account, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees, 6 column table. So to bank account in the year 2015, 75,000. By minimum rent account 75,000. Both the side total 75,000 and 75,000. 2016 to bank account 1,47,000 rupees. By royalty account 1,47,000 rupees. Both the side total 1,47,000, 1,47,000. In the year 2017 to bank account 2,04,000 rupees. By royalty account 2,04,000. Both the side total 2,04,000 and 2,04,000. Next, in the year 2018, you should be clear, because the fine entry delay penalty should be reflected here. To fine account. So how many months delay? So that is July and August, because 1st September he has given the manuscript. So 2 months fine. What was the per month fine is 6,000. So 6,000 into 2 is 12,000 rupees. To fine account. To bank account 1,32,000. So both the side. So 2018 in the credit side. By royalty account 1,44,000. Both the side total 1,44,000 and 1,44,000. So in the year 2019, to bank account 3,20,000. 2019 by royalty account 3,20,000. Both the side total 3,20,000 and 3,20,000. So we are done with this problem. I believe you have understood. If not, copy the problem and practice so that you can understand in better ways. If you have doubt, kindly reach me out. So I'll shortly come back with one more problem. So until then, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.